We live in an age of excess pleasure. With a single swipe of a finger, we shop for dopamine, constantly chasing something sweeter, stronger, and more stimulating. But ask yourself, with all this enjoyment, are you truly happier than yesterday? Or have you become more restless and hungry within? Now let us look directly at the sharp thorn hidden within the sweetness of pleasure, and share the wisdom that allows us to step out of its swamp and stand firmly on our own. Pleasure is another name for suffering. It is a poisoned arrow. People call pleasure enjoyment, but to the wise, it is anguish and disaster, a disease and a dart lodged in the heart. Consider this carefully. Pleasure always carries thirst within it. It is like drinking seawater. The more you drink, the thirstier you become. When pleasure ends, what follows? Emptiness and discomfort. That aftertaste is the true nature of pleasure. It numbs us for a moment, only to imprison us in the need for stronger stimulation. Chasing pleasure is like mistaking the relief of scratching a wound for healing. The more you scratch, the deeper the wound becomes. Everything begins with contact. Both pleasure and pain arise from contact, the meeting of sense and object. When the eye sees something dazzling, when the tongue tastes something sweet, in that brief instant of contact, a spark of enjoyment ignites. But without contact, there is no pleasure. And even when contact occurs, you do not have to be carried away by it. The pleasure you crave does not exist independently outside you. It is merely a temporary wave, arising in your brain and mind in response to contact. All the commotion of gain and loss, existence and non-existence, begins in this fleeting moment. See through the illusion of contact. Do not sell your soul to a wave that rises and falls according to conditions. Craving is a great and violent wave. Longing has a powerful pull. Sensual desire, in particular, is a deep swamp from which it is difficult to escape once you fall in. Modern people struggle in swamps of smartphones, food, overconsumption, even mind-corroding substances, mistaking this for freedom. But true freedom is not found in satisfying desire. It is found in being free from desire. Only those who transcend sensory temptations and attachment attain an unshakable peace, undisturbed by laughter, untroubled by sorrow. The path to a truly wise life requires firmness. Dry up the past. Do not savor memories of pleasures that have already faded. It is like licking dry bones. Empty the future. Do not anticipate pleasures that have not yet arrived. It is like chasing a mirage. Do not cling even to the present. Do not grasp the sweetness of this moment as mine. When a wave of pleasure arises, do not suppress it. Observe its energy. Notice where it tightens the body. Notice how briefly it lingers before dissolving. Awareness alone weakens its force. Only the one who has let go of both mental and physical craving attains enduring life. Do not struggle to seize or reject. Simply let it flow. The crowd of pleasures always beckons us to join in its decline, but the path of awakening is walked alone. Do not find comfort in blending into the crowd and pursuing the same pleasures as everyone else. See the great fear hidden within the threads of desire and walk alone with dignity. To be alone is not loneliness. It is absolute independence, unshaken by temptation. Today, quietly contemplate the many strands of pleasure that tempt you. Ask yourself, have I seen the arrow hidden behind this sweetness? The moment you see the arrow, you are already safe from it. Rise from the swamp of pleasure and step onto the clear, quiet ground of freedom. You deserve a joy deeper than any stimulation. The simple, profound joy of being.